Controlling your emotions is a valuable skill that can help you manage stress, make better decisions, and improve your relationships. Here are some strategies to help you gain better control over your emotions. Recognize your emotions. Start by becoming more aware of your emotions. Pay attention to how you're feeling in different situations. Give your emotions names, such as anger, sadness, or happiness, to better understand them. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves staying present in the moment without judgment. It can help you observe your emotions without getting swept away by them. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing exercises can promote mindfulness. Identify triggers. Try to identify what triggers your strong emotional reactions. Is it certain people, situations, or thoughts? Once you know your triggers, you can develop strategies to manage them. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing your own emotions as well as recognizing and empathizing with others' emotions. Read books, take courses, or seek therapy to improve your emotional intelligence. Take a pause. When you feel overwhelmed by emotions, take a step back. Count to 10, take a deep breath, or leave the situation temporarily. This can help you regain control before reacting impulsively. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and emotions can be a therapeutic way to process and understand them. It can also help you spot patterns in your emotional responses. Physical activity. Regular exercise can help regulate your emotions by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Even a short walk can help calm your mind. Healthy lifestyle choices. Proper nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques like yoga or progressive muscle relaxation can all contribute to emotional stability. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist about your emotions. Sometimes, just sharing your feelings with someone you trust can be a great relief and provide valuable perspective. Practice relaxation techniques. Techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation, deep breathing exercises, and visualization can help you relax and regain emotional control. Set boundaries. Learning to say no and establish personal boundaries can reduce stress and prevent emotional overload. Cognitive restructuring. Challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with more rational and positive ones. This can help you manage emotions like anxiety and anger. Seek professional help. If you find it extremely difficult to control your emotions, consider seeking the help of a therapist or counselor. They can provide you with personalized strategies and support. Remember that it's normal to experience a wide range of emotions, and complete suppression of emotions is neither healthy nor realistic. Instead, the goal is to manage and express your emotions in a healthy and constructive way. Developing emotional control takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself as you work on these strategies. Self-awareness. The first step in controlling your emotions is to be aware of what you're feeling. Take time to reflect on your emotions and their triggers. Journaling can be a helpful tool for self-awareness. Healthy lifestyle. Ensure you are getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in regular physical activity. These factors can significantly impact your emotional well-being. Remember that it's normal to experience a range of emotions, and the goal is not to suppress them but to manage them in a healthy and constructive way. It may take time and practice to develop better emotional control, so be patient with yourself as you work on these strategies.